What was really even sad and little disappointing was to corner a certain institution. He talked about Bollywood. I see no reason. Bollywood is too strong. They don't need any of us to defend. But I would like to bring some points. And my friend Kalanidhi, who was here from DMK, he also defended the Bollywood. And the data, I want to take little references from my colleagues, is Mr. Gurumurthy from the YSRP. He gave so much data about it. Now, I have one small question to Dr. Bhambre. Is when there is so much data of pan-India, why is only Maharashtra's Bollywood getting cornered? And my question to this government is that Bollywood is really put into a corner as there are some evil people who only do drugs. I think it's really very, very disappointing because it's not fair to put a fraternity. Are you trying to tell me that no other fraternity has drug addicts? It's very, very unfortunate that you do a media trial to anybody in a particular fraternity, especially when the contribution of that unit has to be registered. Sir, it's an industry. It gets crores of jobs to people. It has international visibility to India. India's Bollywood stars give an identity to Indians all over the world. It's not just glamour. There is a lot of hard work. There is a lot of dedication, there is a lot of commitment, and this is the same government which uses a lot of Bollywood stars to push in social messages. So how does Bollywood become bad then? So it's really sad that we are making one case or two cases without any proof whether they are. There are young girls being called for once, twice, thrice to offices of NCB. Why are these young actresses being called or young actors being called all the time? For just what media special, and if you are, what happened to all those cases? It happens once, 3 days you see it in the media and the story is gone. And I would definitely rank to the notice of what Kalyan Banerjee said in his speech. He's talking about the officers. This is a wonderful bill you have got. Retrospective you are doing. But what happens to all these officers who misuse and abuse their positions? There is a case of one of my colleagues in Maharashtra. His son-in-law was put in for 9 months in jail. 9 महीने उनके दामाद को जेल में रखा. क्या हुआ? वो गांजा नहीं था, तंबाकू निकली. I myself work against tobacco. मेघवाल जी, गुटखा बैन करने वाला राज्य इस देश में कोई होगा तो मेरा महाराष्ट्र है. अजीत पवार जब उप मुख्यमंत्री थे, उन्होंने गुटखा बैन किया था. ड्रग्स तो बहुत आगे की बात है. हम तो तंबाकू के खिलाफ, गुटखे के खिलाफ लड़ते हैं. इसके खिलाफ क्यों नहीं आपके साथ लड़ेंगे? आपके साथ कदम मिला के चलेंगे ड्रग्स के खिलाफ. लेकिन आप ये ऑफिसर्स का क्या करेंगे जो कोई, मुझे आई कैनॉट स्टिल बिलीव इट सर कि किसी का दामाद होना कुछ गलती है और उनके दामाद को 9 महीने, इनके छोटे छोटे बच्चे उनके माँ को पूछते थे हमारे बाबा कहाँ गए, तो माँ कहती थी अपने बच्चे को कि पापा जेल में गए. किसके लिए गए? तंबाकू को, जिसको, और आपको पता होगा, there is a kit, there is a system. When you arrest somebody under this section, there's a kit, there are protocols to be followed. You cannot. What happened to that kit? Are you trying to tell me you don't know the difference between ganja and tobacco? And you arrest people like this? Be it Bollywood, being the young women working in Bollywood, be it political positions, what is going on in NCB? And if there are false cases, who will give back the lives to that family? Is there no accountability of the government? Be it ours, be it theirs. We are willing to work for that menace, but we will not tolerate injustice by any officer against anybody by misusing his position. And that's exactly, I think, what the essence of this bill should be. You cannot use your position and abuse it, plant drugs, arrest people, arrest them, take selfies with them, put them in social media, selectively leak information to... How does the media know everything before even people know about it? So who are these officers and who's going to be accountable? अगर drugs के खिलाफ लड़ाई हो, तो go after the big fish. ये छोटे बच्चों के पीछे, are we looking? And another thing is addiction is an illness. Addiction is not necessary. That he is not, no, none of these people who you are calling are not drug dealers, they are addicts. उनको बीमारी है अगर उनके यहाँ मिला होगा तो. First of all, we have no evidence also. There are so many, I can tell you, sir, cases after, there's no time here today to speak on that, but I would like to tell you there are cases which have so many flaws, they don't even test the person that is arrested. So how do you know that person has consumed or has drugs? And even if they don't have drugs, they're kept in jail for 30 days. Is this the kind of law we are living in, just at the whims and fancies of one officer? This is the kind of power we are going to give to an officer who'll just misuse and abuse it politically, socially, and blackmail people. They will call and ask for crores of rupees and lakhs of rupees to people. This is not justice. This is not the justice that this government talks about.
महाराष्ट्र बातमी, शोध सत्तेचा, आवाज जनतेचा.